Do you have a problem with your Google Home connectivity? I may have the solution. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? Alright, let me show you 3 ways to fix the errors that may prevent your Google Home Mini from connecting to the internet. So head over to your Google Home app, then look for your Google Home device and tap on it. Tap on the gear icon located on the top right side of the screen. Look for your Wi-Fi, and right beside it, tap forget. Alright, the second thing to try is to remove your Google Home Mini device from your app. And to do this, so head over to your Google Home app, look for your Google Home device and tap on it. Tap on the gear icon located on the top right side of the screen. Then scroll all the way down until you see remove the device. Then just follow the instructions. Alright, so the last thing to try is to actually hard reset or factory reset your Google Home Mini. Now, if you have the older generation of Google Home Mini, what you need to do is at the bottom of the Google Home Mini, you will actually see the reset button. Press and hold on that reset button until you hear a sound. And if you have the newer generation Google Home Mini, just press and hold on the center, like the center of the speaker. I don't have a new generation one, but press and hold on to it. Oh, but before you do that, what you can do is you could actually mute your Google Home Mini. Then press and hold until it will, tell you that it will reset or it's resetting now. Then, boom. That's how you factory reset your newer generation Google Home Mini. Now, I rarely go to number 4, even to number 3. What works for me usually is just to combine number 1 and number 2. Forgetting the Wi-Fi and unlinking the device does the trick for me. Just remember that after removing the Wi-Fi and unlinking the device, then you need to actually relink the device back, as per usual. Now, if you found another way to actually fix your Google Home Mini's connectivity, please share with us. Let us know. Type it down in the comment section below so that our community will be able to learn as well. All right, beautiful people. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you haven't, please consider subscribing. And as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye!